Seeing suggestions on your TikTok search page that don't match your interests? Don't worry, you can fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to remove and improve the You May Like suggestions on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to the search page. At the top, you'll see a section called You May Like. If you don't like the suggestions, you can tap the refresh icon to update them. If that's not enough, head over to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Content Preferences, then select Manage Topics. Here, you can adjust sliders to control what content you want to see more or less of. Move the slider to the right for more or to the left for less. Once done, tap Save. Now go back and tap on Notifications. Scroll down to Personalized Post Suggestions and turn all the switches off. Next, go back again and tap on Activity Center. Tap Search History, then tap Select and choose Select All. Now tap Delete and Confirm to clear your search history. After that, go back to the search page. Scroll down and tap on Help Us Improve. Choose options like Not Interested or Not Personalized. Then select the suggestions you want to remove and tap Submit. You may need to repeat this a few times to fully clean up your suggestions. And that's it. Your TikTok search suggestions should now be much more relevant to your interests. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more TikTok tips on our channel.